Okay, this is SolidWorks 2016 tutorial, and now when you open SolidWorks you get, like we said before, you get this interface, and in order to create a new file you can click here, or if you want to open already created part you can click on this icon here, and that's what we're gonna do. So let's click on open file, and I have here some parts so that I made earlier. So let's just open this triangle part. Now when we open our part we can see in here that we can see our part here, and now how to manipulate different views and how to see all the sides of this part. So first of all, let's learn how to zoom in and zoom out on parts. So we can use a simply scroll, and just scroll in or out, and we can also switch these, so switch direction of the scroll if we want to, in our options. Now if you want to rotate this part you can click on scroll and you get this small icon. So, and now we can simply rotate view for this part. We can zoom in, zoom out and rotate. Now also here in the corner you can see this coordinate system, and if we click on these we can simply rotate this part as well. Now the next thing I want to show you is these tools here, like you can zoom to fit, also you can zoom to area, like if you want to see something specific like small detail. Also we can just previous view. Also we'll talk about section views later to see different sections. Now I want to talk about this. It's called display style, and if you click here with your mouse and left click you can see these 5 options. Now this option is wireframe. It displays all edges of the model, so like this. Okay, now the second thing is hidden lines are visible, so it will display lines of your edges, so these lines, but also it will create dashed line for invisible edges, because we can't see actually these because of this plane and this plane, but if we rotate they become visible and those are invisible. Now the next thing is just hidden lines removed, so we can simply see all our outer edges. It depends on the way we rotate it. And here we can see shaded display view, so basically it shows our part how it would look in reality, most likely. So it's pretty ugly actually. Okay, and on top there is shaded with edges. That's default view display, so we can see everything shaded, but also we can see all the edges. Now in engineering we often want to have some specified views, for example front view or top view, etc. Now if we want to go through these, we can click on this icon here, view orientation, and here we can see different options. Like first of all, let's see these single view, two views horizontal separated, 2 views vertically separated, and 4 views. I showed in previous tutorial how you can go here to window and just make this. So we can divide this like this, and we get different views here. Now let's go back to normal single view. Now if we want to, for example, see our front view, we can just go here and click on front. Now in the brackets you see there's a shortcut, a Control+1, and when we click it we get this front view. Now if we want, for example, right view, it's Control+4 and we click it. Now if we want to see, for example, isometric view, we go here, or dimetric or trimetric, and we just click it and you get it. Now you can try these also with your keyboard. So for example, Control+1 is front view, Control+2 is back view, Control+7, like we saw, is isometric view. Now the other, also we can access these views simply by pressing space key on our keyboard, and we get this cool toolbox actually, to access all these views and see them. So basically that's it about how to manipulate your model and how to change different views. Also, if you, for example, have this isometric view, this is just extra, for if you have this isometric view and now this is front view. So if we want to specify, for example, this to be our front view, we go to this is Control+3, then we press space and we can just, we can create new view and we can update standard views. So we click on update and then click on front view. We want to make the change, and now when we go to isometric, it's different. So basically that's it.